about these. It's caps. Got the torch nuts. Remove those. Those there. And just remove. These screws here. Other side, same thing. Be a lot faster with power tools, but overall it's not bad. Now it's time to raise it up. Go underneath. Alright, now we got the vehicle up in the air. We got to take these. We got to take 8mm bolts on here and on the driver's side. There's one securing the rear bumper up there to the body. And you got 1, 2, like you got 2 screws you got to take out, and there's a couple plastic clips you got to remove to get this apart here. So we will go ahead and take these out. These clips. It's caught up in there. It's easier if you got a power tool. Now, so in there, got all those those out, time to go to the other side. Same thing. So I'm taking these screws out here. After all that's done, reach right up in here with your finger and kind of I'm gonna have to pop it out of there real quick for a minute. Just reach out there and just kind of pull outwards. The whole bumper comes off. Now I got to raise it up and go underneath and remove a couple more tabs and the bumper will be ready to come off. Now, underneath, there's only 1/8mm bolt there. You got to remove. Push pin there. Another push clip there. And another 8mm screw. Pull those off and the bumper will be ready to come off. Couple clips here. Next step is removing this one here. This other one feels like it's okay. Now that those two push clips are out and those 8mm screws are out, the bumper is ready to come off. I'm going to go ahead and lower it down and do that. Okay, now that the vehicle's down on the ground, I'm going to remove the bumper. This side here should come undone. Yep. It's always better to have another person help you out so that don't happen. Alright, there's the rebar, or bumper support, which I am replacing. Now you got 3 bolts on each side. Then you got to remove those 3 bolts. The whole bracket, this whole support comes off, and then you just put the new one on. Put the bolts back in, and put the bumper back on.